Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday June 13 to Saturday June 19, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Creed's toothpaste deal. You can buy 2 Creed's toothpaste and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale 2 for $6. You can buy 4 Creed's complete toothpaste $12. It's 2 for $6. Also, we have one $2 off $5 Creed's oral care CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 off Crease toothpaste digital coupon and use $5 off 3 Crease oral care digital coupon. But that coupon is available on June 13. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $4 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2 money maker. My next deal is if you have 5 of $20 Creased oral care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Crease toothpaste and scoop mouthwash deal. Buy 2 Crease toothpaste and get back $3 ECB and buy 2 creased or scoop mouthwash and get back $3 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. You can buy 4 creased complete toothpaste 12 it's for $12. Also you can buy 2 scoop mouthwash 1 liter it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. So altogether the totals come out $21.98. You can use 5 of $20 creased oral care CVS CRT. Also you can use $1 of creased toothpaste digital coupon and use $1 of creased or scoop mouthwash digital coupon. Also you can use $5 of 3 creased oral care CVS digital coupon. This coupon is available on June 13. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents for all these 6 products or 16 cents each for. My next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Butterfly Mascara. It's $13.99. You can use 1 free L'Oreal Mascara CVS CRT. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $4 money maker. My next deal is any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl and get back $5 ECB and buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $12.98. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer. It's $7.79. So altogether the totals come out $20.77. You can use 1/6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetics CVS CRT. Also you can use $3 of CoverGirl mystery coupon. It must be the higher value of the mystery coupon. We can check back on the Sunday. But this coupon is available on June 13. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $11.77 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.77 or $1.59 each. But must check on the Sunday for the digital and printable coupon. Generally if we get the insert coupon, so we can get the printable and digital coupon. So must check on the Sunday. The next deal is if you have 7 of 35 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $20 on any Sally Hansen cosmetic and get back $3 ECB. And buy 2 CoverGirl cosmetic and get back $5 ECB or buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. So you can buy 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Color. It's $19.98. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Eye Maker eyeliner is $6.49. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press Powder. It's $8.49. You can use one $7 of $35 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one 5 of 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Sally Hansen Miracle Gel digital coupon and use one $1 of Sally Hansen Miracle Gel printable coupon. But that coupon is no longer available. Also, you can use one $3 of CoverGirl mystery coupon. It's available on June 13. So altogether the totals come out $17. Pay or roll $17.96 and get back $3 ECB for the Sally Hansen and get back $5 ECB for the CoverGirl. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $6.96 or $1.74 each. But if we get any CoverGirl printable and digital coupon, so the final cost is only just 94 cents or only 24 cents each for the beauty product. My next deal is any Seek, Edge, Skintimate or Bulldog product deal. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Seek Hydro Man Razor, it's $12.49. So the totals come out $24.98. You can use one 5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one 4 of Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Seek Man digital coupon and use one $4 of Seek Woman digital coupon. If you use this week, so you can use the printable coupon. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. My next deal is any Goodline Save and Grooming deal. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy two Goodline Grooming nose and ear trimmer. It's $20.58. It's $10.29 each in my store. Also, you can buy one Goodline Grooming touch-up razor. It's $4.99. So the totals come out $25.57. You can use one 5 of $20 any Save Care CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Goodline Grooming Tool app only coupon. So the total coupon is $19.57. Pay or roll $19.57 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $9.57 or $3.19 each. Sometimes we get that CRT for the Goodline, so must check on the Sunday which CRT we can get that product. My next deal is Iris Spring body wash and bar soap deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. It's on sale 2 for $8. Buy 2 Iris Spring body wash, it is $8. You can use one $2 of $8 body wash CVS CRT. Also, if you have one $3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT, so the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $3 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1 or 50 cents each. My next deal is hair care deal. If you have 4 of $18 any hair care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $8 on L'Oreal hair care and get back $4 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. And buy 2 Garnier whole blend and get back $1 ECB. It's on sale 2 for $7. You can buy 3 L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner, it's $12. It's 2 for $8 and 1 is $4. Also, you can buy 2 Garnier whole blend shampoo or conditioner, it's $7. So the totals come out $19. You can use one 4 of $18 any shampoo, conditioner or styler CVS CRT. Use one $5 of L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner printable coupon, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10 and get back $4 ECB for the L'Oreal and get back $1 ECB for the Garnier. So the final cost is only just $5 or $1 each. But check back on the Sunday if we get any digital or printable coupon for the Garnier. My next deal is any Nexas hair care deal. Spend $25 on Nexas and get back $7 ECB. So they have limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Naxa shampoo. It's $24.98. It's $12.49 each. You can use 1/4 of $25 any hair care CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of $5 of Nexa shampoo CVS CRT. Use 1 $5 of Nexa shampoo or conditioner digital coupon. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is Essence Cosmetic deal. Spend $10 on Essence Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one SE eyeshadow palette. It's $9.99. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.99 each. My next deal is Select Coppertone Sun Care deal. Buy 2 Coppertone sunscreen lotion and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you can buy 2 Coppertone sunscreen. It's $16.48 because it's $10.99 each. You can use 1/4 of any sun care product CVS extra care message. Check on the extra care message. So many people got the $4 and some people got the $3. Check on your message. Also, you can use $2 of Coppertone product digital coupon and use $2 of Coppertone product printable coupon. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $8.48 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.48 or $1.74 each. My next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB or spend $45 and get back $15 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.99. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Cleanser Gel. It's $5.19. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT Pod. It's $11.94. And buy 1 Tide Liquid 92 FLOZ. It's $11.94. So the totals come out $49.06. You can use 1/5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, you can use 1 $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon and use 1 $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. So the total coupon is $23. You can pay or roll $26.06 and get back $15 ECB. So the final cost is only just $11.06 or $2.76 each. My next deal is Pamper and Easy Up Diaper Deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Pamper Easy Up training underwear. 25 CT is $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use $4 of 2 Pamper Easy Up digital coupon and use 1/4 of $20 any baby care purchase CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $12 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $7 or $3.50 each. My next deal is Garnier Facial Care deal. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ. It's $22.49. Also, you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $7.79. So the totals come out $30.28. You can use 1/6 of 25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $5 of Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Also, you can use 2 $2 of Garnier Green Lab or Micellar Water CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.28 and get back $5 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $2.28 or $1.14 each. My next deal is any Hallmark item deal. Buy 3 Hallmark item and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 3 Hallmark paperback. It's Hallmark card. It's $6. It's $2 each. Also, you can use one $3 off 2 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Pay or roll $3 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just free. But you can I have the, like, if you don't have any Hallmark CVS CRT, so must buy only 3 paperback for the 49 cents each and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost, all these 3 bag is free plus $1.50 money maker if you don't have any Hallmark card CVS CRT. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.